Hey again, my loves. It's Moya with Baddies in a Bag, and welcome back to another video. Today we are stuffing, I think it's $230. We are putting, I think, $130 in wallets, and we only have $100 to add towards our rent today, so we're gonna go ahead and get that done. You know, we normally start with a positive quote, so let's get into the positive quote. And the positive quote for today is, breathe in and breathe out. So don't stop breathing, girl, because if you stop, you know what time it is. So breathe in and breathe out. Never stop breathing. Stop sometimes, take a breath. You know, don't work too hard. Don't run your body into overdrive. Just sometimes just stop and take a breath. Okay, that's all I ask. Today, we are stuffing our new minimalist wallet for the first time since I made it. Isn't it a cutie? I love it. It's super cute. So we're gonna go ahead and get it stuffed today. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and count the cash, and then we'll go ahead and start the stuffing. So calculator out, check, and let's go. So we have two 50s, which is 100. We have 20, 40. We have two 20s, which is 40. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we have $210. Did I say 210? Or did I say 230? Oh, that's why, because here goes the two tens over here looking up in my face and smiling with me. So yes, we have $230 today. We ain't wasted no time. My table got a little messed up, so if y'all can see it on the camera, please forgive me. I just can't be bothered right now to get up and wipe it up. So anyways, the minimalist cash wallet is available on the website if you guys are interested. The link is in the description, and make sure that y'all are subscribing and sharing out the videos, and feel free to leave comments. I don't bite. Okay, so for allowance, we're giving ourselves only $50 for allowance, and I'm going to try something because I'm trying my best not to spend this $50. So I'm going to have it into a hard $50. Let's see what happens by the time I come back. I feel like when it's two 20s and a 10, I'm most likely to just spend it, which is okay, but I just want to test the theory. I just want to see if I can not spend it, you know, so I could roll it over, or you know, whatever I want to do. So we have $50 in allowance. Moving right along, we have household, and for household, to be honest, I just went grocery shopping and household shopping, so I don't really need anything this week for maybe for groceries and household, but I'm still gonna put a little thing in there just in case there's something that I missed that I might need. So for household, we are going to go ahead and put $20 in there. And moving right along, we have groceries, which I just said I just bought groceries, so I don't think I need anything, but just in case, I'm going to go ahead and slide a little $10 in there. So groceries, we're putting $10. Eating out, we're putting $20. I shouldn't need to eat out too much because I'm going to be in my house mostly, so in case I go on the road, just in case I go on the road, let me just add a little 20 in there, you know, just in case. So eating out, we put 20, and then for gas, we're gonna put 20. You know, I hardly use my card. My boyfriend mostly does, so he always buys the gas. But if ever I go in my car and you know I see it a little low, I'll go put a little 20 or 30 in there sometimes for him. So I put 20 in gas, and then I have my daughter. I start putting her here just in case we're on the road and she need any toys or whatever, you know. I start to put in there instead of using it out of allowance. So I'm gonna put $10 in there for her, and if this doesn't get used, it will transfer over to her saving challenge binder. So let's add our little 10 in there, And that's basically it for the wallet stuffing. That was quick, actually. So let's see if we could save the $50. Let's see if we could manage to not spend it. We'll see. When the time comes, we will see. But moving right along, we have our bills binder. We're just gonna add $100 to rent, because that's what we have so far. I mean, to be honest with you guys, for this month, bills, I normally stuff bills with my makeup and lash extension money from my clients. And I'm not gonna lie, I just spent a bunch of money, to be honest, because I had to restock on products, both for lashes, for makeup, and I had to restock for my website. So I just spent a whole bunch of money, and the appointments that I had since September 1st were supposed to be going into the bills binder, but I ended up using that to, you know, buy supplies for my makeup and my lashes. And I do realize that I need to probably stuff supplies some more. I need to prioritize it more. That way I don't have to take money from anywhere to, you know, buy supplies. You know what I mean? So I've definitely started to see where I could change things and where things need to get a little adjustment. And I've made those adjustments already. So let's see how it goes. You know, this cash stuffing thing, it's a learning thing. No, it's a learning thing. Like, you have to learn as you go and make adjustments as you go. If you realize that something is not working out the way you want it to work or whatever, you know what I mean? So we literally only left back with $100 out of all the clients that we had already for this month. And we're just gonna go ahead and put that $100 into rent for now. And I have more appointments for the rest of the month, and I'm definitely hoping for more. So we'll see how that goes. And if not, I'll just have to take it out of supplies, whatever I've stuffed for supplies. So this is $100 in rent. And basically that's the video. That was pretty quick. I didn't really want it to end so quickly, but it did, and that's that. So I've done, like I said, I've done a lot of adjustments and changes based on how I see things working out. I've made a few adjustments to make things better or work better for me. So we'll see how that goes. And if I need to make any other adjustments, I sure as hell will. Like, what's gonna stop me? What's gonna stop me? But thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's always a pleasure to come on here and record these videos for you guys. And I love all y'all so much, and continue to be blessed with your journey. And I will see y'all in the next video.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count.